Exercise 14.3. Here you are to draw the graph, bar graph and histogram. Right? 6, 7, 8, 9 questions are omitted here, and you are to do first 5 questions, which are based on bar graph and histogram, which you have done earlier also in class 8. The same we are going to do here. So you are to choose when you are to make graph, when you are to make bar graph, and when you are to make histogram. So obviously if you have given like, अगर आपको particular x में आपको कुछ particular given है, like here for example we have given head and expenditure, right? So there are some grocery, rent, education, ठीक है, fuel, expenses are given here of these, like in 1,000 rupees we have given here, in 1,000 rupees it's given like 4, 5, 5, 2, like this. Okay, something we have given the table like this. Then obviously you will make your bar graph, because we have given here particular things, particular cities given, or particular activities, particular blood groups. Then you have to do the question here, you have to use here bar graph, because you have given particular things on x-axis, that will take on x-axis, that will take on y-axis frequency, right? Then we'll make the graph for it. On x-axis we'll take heads, on y-axis we'll take frequency, expenditure in 1,000 rupees, expenditure in 1,000 rupees, right? And it is our x-axis, it's our y-axis. Okay, so we'll take here like 1, 2, because it's given up to 5, 1, 2, itna hi gap given hai. So this you have to choose yourself according to your convenient. Like this. And on x-axis it's given grocery, so we'll mention here grocery. Then you have given rent, then you have given education, then you have given medicine, then fuel, entertainment and miscellaneous. Okay, then here you will take the gap for it. If you know, आप उसके लिए gap लेते हो during the making the bar graph. You take like this. This is G grocery. Similarly, like this, leave one gap, one box on your graph paper. The next is for rent. Next is for education. Next is for medicine. Next is for fuel, and so on, like this. For grocery, it's given 4. So you will make the graph like this. It's 4. Right? Then it's given next 5. Then 5 like this. Then next is given again 5. This is called the bar graph. Next here we have 2. Next again we have 2. So like this you can make the bar graph, right? Next we'll make the histogram, and let's take one example when we make the histogram. When we have given, it's like, suppose we have given weight, we have given group data and frequency, number of students, like this. Then weight it's given like 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. So as we all know, here we consider 30 but not 35. ठीक है, class size 5 है. Number of students, suppose we have given here 9, 30 से 35 में 9, 35 to 46, then 15, 3, 1. Right? Then here we'll make histogram because we have given the intervals in continuity. ये हमें continuity में given है. Okay, then how to make the graph here? On x-axis we'll take weight in kg. ठीक है, on y-axis we'll take number of students, right? So n-axis will take like 30. It's starting from 30. So first of all, we'll take here a kink line because we are taking a long gap from 0. We are taking here 0 and 0 से हम एक long gap ले रहे हैं. Then we'll take here 30. Then next we'll take here 40. Next 50, 60, 70, 80 like this. Okay. Then sorry, 5 gap is here. Take this gap again. 5 gap we have given here. So we'll take kink line, then we'll take 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, so on, like this. Then on y-axis we can take the gap according to our convenient, like जिसमें हमें easy लगे graph के ऊपर उसको select करना, like we can take the gap of 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. So if I'm taking here the gap of 2 2 4 6 8, क्योंकि अगर आप ओड में लेते हैं तो डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है लेना ग्राफ के ऊपर, इवन में होगा तो इट विल बी बेटर. 12 14 16 like this. Okay, then first is given here 9. Let's move to 9. It will be between 8 and 10. Then next it's 35 to 40. now अब ये continuity में आएंगे आपके पास. It will be in continuity. See, ये आपके पास continuity में आएंगे. Firstly it's 9. So it between 8 and 10. Then 35 to 40 it's 6. 35 से 40 में आप इसका ये continuity में आएगा 6 4 और this is the 6 like this. This is called histogram. Then next is 15. Then it's between 14 and 50 16 and it's like this. Then 45 to 50 it's 3. Then 3. Next it's given here 50 to 55 which is 1. Then you will take 1. Last is given here 2 up to 60. Then you will take here 2 like this. This is now here we have histogram, right? We are having this histogram because all these are in continuity. There is no gap. Bar graph लेते हैं जब हमारे पास particular x-axis पे things given हो. अगर continuity में intervals given है, then we do it like this. Then there is one sometimes. Now let's start exercise 14.3. Here we are to do first to 5 questions which are based on bar graph and histogram. First, you have given the table here, survey conducted by an organization for cause of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide and found the following figures in percentage. Here you have given causes and female fertility rate. So उसमें उसके बाद causes given है, right? Reason of the disease, illness or death के reasons given है and the percentage given है rate की, right? So particular things given है यहाँ पर, like reproductive health conditions, like neuropsychiatric conditions, injuries like this. So here we have given particular causes, so we will make here bar graph. Similarly, in second question, you have given sections like SC, ST, non-SC, ST, backward districts type के sections given है. Okay, and number of girls per 1,000 boys given है. So this also same particular things are given here in the second question also. So you can again here make the bar graph in second question also. और उनके बेसिस पे आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं. बार ग्राफ बनाने के बाद आपको उनके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर करने हैं. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, given below are the seats won by different political parties in the following outcome of a state assembly elections. Same here, political parties given are like A, B, C, D, E, F, particular hai. So again, you can make the bar graph here and you have to give the answer to given questions. Next, there is difference little in fourth question. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to 1 millimeter and the obtained data is represented in the following table. There is a difference in fourth question. कि अगर आपके पास इस टाइप से आए तो आप कैसे करेंगे. See, length is given like 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 163 to 171, 172 to 180, and here we have given number of leaves, that is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4 and 2. Now what we will do here in this question, see, you can see here it's not given in continuity. तो आप कैसे ग्राफ बना सकते हैं. See, upper limit for the previous interval and lower limit of the next interval should be same. ये आपके पास सेम होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पे 35, 135 है, 136, 144, 145. हाउ कैन यू मेक इट सेम. ठीक है, पहले आपको इसको सेम करना पड़ेगा. फर्स्टली यू विल मेक द इंटरवल्स कंटिन्यूस, फिर आप सेम वे से हिस्टोग्राम बनाओगे. आप क्या करोगे इसमें, जैसे 118 है, ठीक है, और इधर 126 है. आप लोअर एक इंटरवल में, हर एक ग्रुप में आप लोअर लिमिट से 0.5 माइनस करोगे और अपर लिमिट में 0.5 ऐड कर दोगे. लोअर लिमिट में 0.5 माइनस, अपर लिमिट में 0.5 ऐड. 118.5 टू 126.5, फिर माइनस कर दो नेक्स्ट में 126.5 टू 135.5. फिर नेक्स्ट में 136 में से 0.5 माइनस कर दो 135.5. नेक्स्ट इज 144.5. देन नेक्स्ट 144.5 to 153.5, and so on like this. 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5, and last 171.5 to 180.5, and the frequency will remain same. And then you can make the graph easily by taking this much gap. Is that okay? So here you can make the histogram easily by taking the given gap that we have taken in the continuous, the interval we have taken in the continuous, that by taking those gaps you can make the histogram easily, right? So, and the fifth question is also same here. You are to make the histogram for the given data, but it's given in continuity like lifetime hours given a time and number of lamps are given here. ठीक है, lamp की life given a lifetime in hours and number of lamps like 3 to 400 and 14, 400 to 500, that is 56, like this. So it's in continuity. You can make the histogram easily. There is no problem then. Okay. So next in 6th and 7th question we have frequency polygon which are omitted. and 8th and 9th questions are having varying length in the x-axis में जो आपको given है x में, that is in different length, मतलब उनकी class size same नहीं है, with different class size, so that is also not in your syllabus. Now complete this exercise, actually complete this chapter, your chapter is completed here. Complete 14.2, 14.3, 1 to 5 questions. There is a correction, make that correction. Lower limit से 0.5 minus, upper limit से 0.5 add, so here should be 117.5. By mistake, I have written 118.5. It should be 117.5, right? Now we can make the histogram here, like by taking here the gap of here 0, then we'll take a kink line because we are taking more than gap with the gap given. 117.5, then 126.5, like this. हम यहाँ पर x axis पे लेंगे. Okay, then next 127, 135.5. Like this, we will take the gap here and we can make the histogram easily by taking the same number 3, 5, 9. We are taking the same frequency which we have given here. Okay. So now complete this question. 1 to 5 questions of exercise 14.3.